Hello, everyone, and welcome to my first presentation for my individual project. My project will focus on extracting data from charts and plots used for the financial markets, especially cryptocurrency, through the medium of computer vision. The motivation for this is that in many cases, websites do not have API access to the common user. And with such a model, we would be able to extract information from the different charts visually portrayed and then create data sets based on the information present. And then in many cases, documents and websites do not have alt text available. Alt text is extremely important because it increases accessibility for those that have a form of visual impairment. And so a lot of research has been performed on this topic, but there is no clear solution because the problem itself is quite complex. There are many different types of plots and many different types of charts. So my solution is to use a robust computer vision model that can be used to divide the plot itself into different regions, and then a PyTesseract or any other type of OCR engine in order to extract the information from those specific regions. A deep learning model will be trained on different types of charts in order to identify where the chart is present in the full frame, so then that site can then be used for the processing itself. So the idea is to have a robust model that will be able to identify different charts from the top providers in the cryptocurrency space. They will also be able to extract only the relevant information. And finally, to create a model that would be able to work in real time on all the different charts and plots so that if a video capture is given, we'll be able to create an ever-changing data set. If we look here on the left, we can see from CoinDesk a chart that shows the price for Bitcoin, and it is divided into the price on the y-axis and then the time on the x-axis, with a curve in the chart itself that shows the variation over time of the price. And so the idea of the model is to identify the location of the plot in the image frame, select the plot, extract information from the time scale, extract information from the sky scale, extract the currency name and the current price, and then perform curve fitting and estimation in order to get the median, mean, lowest, and highest values. And then with all of this information, create a data set that will follow the rules of the tiny data. So a data set that can be used in different programming languages, and that is using the best style for it. Moreover, for the next meeting, my first objective is to finalize the computer vision research in order to get an idea on the state-of-the-art technology available that can be applied to this problem. Secondly, I'll need to define the libraries, the versions, and the protocols that will be used in order to create this software. Thirdly, I will need to define a virtual environment where I will use the defined libraries and the correct versioning for all of them so that I can create a reproducible pipeline following the guide of RAP, Reproducible Analytical Pipeline. And then lastly, I will start working on the OpenCV model so that I can identify and divide the different plots of the chart into regions of interest. And with all this said, I would like to thank you for the time dedicated.